Roman candles in one place.
Kelly modified his.
So majestic.
It's gonna look fun, isn't it?
No, they already lit off before you came. I was like, oh, we're lighting a fire. He's like, no, wait. And it went up and it went boom, boom, boom in the air. It was actually really cool. Sorry.
No worries.
Hello.
You gonna light off a cake stand?
Well, she just asked me and she fucking videotaped it.
Oh, yeah, I have it.
Watch the video.
You guys got the big one coming?
The cake?
Yeah, let's light the fireworks with your face over top of it. Because that is fucking fantastic.
I'll get some YouTube views. Come on, let's do it.
911 call now. We need medical attention. Somebody's blown their fucking face off. They're drunk
The
and
next thing you know,
staring at it.
fireworks banned in Vancouver. Fuck!
God damn it, man! Son of a bitch!
It's like torch. It's torch.
So how do you not get caught with a big cake? What the fuck?
Did it fall over? Go back up! You fucked that one up!
It's paying off the car.
That was good. That one.
Fuck, that was funny. It starts going anywhere but out.
Oh, it's so wrong.